Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. 23-foot SPX. This is the biggest model in the SPX lineup. Beautiful horizon gray hull color. The size of the name badge from Sea Ray on there. This boat just exudes quality. Stainless steel rub rail, water sports tower. This one actually has the upgraded top of the line motor, 250 V8 Mercury Verado on this. This is a screamer, this boat. So beautiful. Sea deck flooring all throughout. Standard water ski tow bar here. You can also wakeboard off the attachment on the water sports tower. Big sun pad in here with tons of storage. Built-in battery charger here. Lots of storage in the floor and walkthroughs everywhere. You have a on-off battery switch in this compartment here. This is the stone interior. It's a beautiful light gray with a charcoal accent. Upgraded stitching on this model with the upholstery. Really sharp. Perfect spot for a nice cooler here. This one has two tables, which are optional. One that goes in the cockpit here, and there's one that goes up front. And with the press of a button, boom, dedicated storage for those tables and the legs. All your life jackets, everything, all in one place. The cockpit is huge. You actually have seating for 13 on this boat. Bucket seats, Simrad digital dash. You get the fly-by-wire digital controls from Mercury with that 250 Verado. Nice Fusion stereo system, acrylic dash accents. And this is a big storage compartment. We can also put a porta potty in here if you so choose. Nice easy walk through to the bow. This is where your other table would mount, right down here. Fusion speakers everywhere. Again, look at the beautiful stitching. And they also give you a dedicated spot for your anchor, so you don't have to put it under a cushion, and you get a nice tie-off cleat here as well. Again, this is a 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard, loaded, here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. My name's Tyler Hill. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.